Hi Plums! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Gua Sha. So for all of you who don't know what the Gua Sha is, you can find it made out of different materials. This one right here is a rose quartz. You can also find it made from jade, amethyst, black onyx, everything as long as it's a crystal. The Gua Sha is nothing new, even though it's kind of in trend right now and everybody wants to get it. The Gua Sha trend actually started a long time ago back in China. Women used to believe that Gua Shas, based on the shape, could give your face a more angular shape, tighten your skin, and it had anti-aging benefits. So I don't really know how much to believe this. I do know that when I use a Gua Sha, my skin does tend to look brighter and tighter because it's kind of like the equivalent of a face massage. So for whomever that has a Gua Sha and believes in the properties of this marvelous stone, follow me through and let's get to it. A few tips on how to use a Gua Sha. Don't press too much on your face, just natural force, especially in the eye areas. Always use it with oil underneath, because if your face is not kind of slippery, you can damage the tissue of your skin. And that's it, you guys. Those are the secrets to a more youthful, brighter, glowier skin. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys would like to comment on what kind of video you would like to see next, don't forget to write it in the comments down below, and I'll see you next week.